Hey guys, this is Richie here. So I've been trying out Forex for the past, or I've been studying Forex for the past couple weeks now, and I've made some live trades. I had some over trading problems, but I've noticed them really quickly, and I discovered that all you need is to you got to find the trend. If you zoom in to this 1 minute, like this is what you see, and if you want, you need to find the larger trend, and if you zoom out, the overall trend is bearish, so it's a bearish trend. And if you zoom out even more on the 4 hour, it's the euro dollar has just been downtrending ever since. I mean, since May. So we are in a very bearish trend for a while now. And I took a trade right here. This was another trade I took right here. I saw this reversal pattern, a bearish reversal pattern, head and shoulders, right here. So as it broke out of consolidation, I saw this as opportunity as a reversal. I took a short right here, if I remember correctly, and then I almost got stopped out here, but I ended up stopping out, well, taking profits a bit early. I mean, this is still great, but it went down even further, and it took a liquidity drop right here, something like that. So, um, yeah, so that was a decent trade. And same here today. So today, I was over trading in the morning. Not really knowing what I'm looking at. I was just kind of trading over here, but I did make the trend lines, and I recognized, wow, we are in a bearish trend, and I saw a double top over here. So I was waiting for price to tap this upper trend line. So let me zoom back out on 5 minute. So I was waiting for price to tap over here so I can start a short position. So my stop was basically, if it closed above this trend line, I would stop out immediately. But it had price rejection right here, as in the past. Every time it came right above or at this line, price rejected hard multiple times. So one right here, here, and here. So I was like, okay. I took a short position on this double top. Zoom in the 1 minute. This was it just really rejected hard. So this is, as it bounces, I tried to add more, but I couldn't add more right here, and my risk, I would move my risk break even right above this high. So I was just kind of writing this down. My target price was around this level right here. So I was hoping for this thing to break down below this, and I would start taking profits immediately right here. But I took profits down here, and if you look on the 5 minute, the last time it tapped right this level, it had a nice reversal right here, short-term reversal. So that's why I tried to take, I took everything off right here. But just, about 30 minutes later, I mean, it did what I wanted to do, but, still a great trade nonetheless. I wanted to get out my position on the lower trend line, but I was kind of risking more consolidation waiting, so I didn't want to wait. I want to take profits and just secure the bag, if I see the opportunity. So, the basic thing, what I learned so far my the past couple weeks in Forex is, first you gotta find the large trend. You gotta see where price is trending. Is it bearish? Is it just consolidating? Is it bullish? In this case, it was bearish, so that was the condition. And now the pattern, I I was waiting for this tap up here, and it would create a double top. So double top right here. And to my first short position right here, start scaling it right here, right above it when it break out. And that will stop immediately if it closed above this trend line. So, and it's kind of wrote this thing down, and it's continuing down further. It looks like it's hitting potential key levels right here. So key levels around this level, 96.76. It could break this too. It's looking really weak right now. So yeah, so just find the trend, and find a pattern. Also, you could also make money in these quick bounces. So you could buy right here as shorts are starting to cover or get out of the position, and you can look for a quick buck right here. But like I said, you want to trade with the trend. You could find these like little pops, but you gotta have tight risk, because yes, it'll go up. You can buy these dips on this lower trend line, just like I did here when I shorted up over here. If you look, you can make money on the opposite side. But in case something like this happens, price, when in the bearish trend, you want to be bearish where the price action is more favorable to you, to the trader. And you can go bullish, but you'll have a hard time fighting against it. So only for maybe quick moves, trying to predict where these shorts will start to cover, you can capitalize on that. So, but it just works better, and put it more simply, you want to trade with the trend, and find the right pattern. And I have also trouble trading in between these levels, which I shouldn't. So I'm noticing that right away. Okay, I should just focus on these patterns, and then where the general trend is, I gotta find the trend. If I remove these trend lines, let's see, can I hide this? Let's see. Yeah, so I can hide it. So I think it's the same. I don't know if I can. Yeah. So if you remove this, like, you're kind of just seeing sideways actions, right? You don't really see anything. It's kind of hard to see where price is moving. But if you make these trend lines very simply, you can see, you can have a general idea of what's going on, and this was key for me. That's why I was confident in my trade when I took this short position on this double top. So yeah. So I hope to make more of these Forex videos, and maybe a live one. I'm just still very learning, and very beginner on this. So yeah, I hope you guys learned something and took away from this, and see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.